Baseball products include everything from pitching machines, to batting cages, to home plates, to baseball backdrops, and ball feeders, or you name it. Also, an overwhelming amount of training gear and accessories, memorabilia, clothes, and novelty items add to the world of baseball products. Obviously, the area of baseball products is very broad, so to narrow the discussion just a little, we will focus on getting the baseball products to fit your needs. There are many skill levels of playing baseball like almost anything else, so concentrating on your particular skill level will serve you well when searching for the best baseball products for your program, professional, or personal needs. These products can be found just about anywhere from your neighborhood Walmart to your area mall. There are unlimited numbers of companies that only deal with baseball products and are only in the business of baseball. Baseball is big business, and companies compete regularly and aggressively and are continuously finding ways to bring customers high-quality, high-performance enhancing, and price-sensitive products. Any one of them can be found on the internet with a simple baseball products jotted into a search engine, advertising baseball products for all areas of the game. If you are a beginner, you may hear the old saying that practice makes perfect more than once or twice. Developing the skills necessary to play the game as safely as possible should be one of your main concerns. To achieve the optimum level of safety when learning to play the game, one should make use of all of the safety gear that baseball products have to offer. Helmets, gloves, pads, and cups are products that no beginner should be without. As you advance in skill level, some but not all of the gear that protected you may no longer be needed because of your new skills and knowledge of how to protect yourself during a game. But to advance to such a level, one must have ample opportunity for training and practice. There are baseball product companies that deal specifically with training gear like baseball cages, pitching machines, training bats, balls, and gloves to help you achieve the skill level that you desire. Be patient, do your research, and have fun while choosing companies and deciding on the pricing of the baseball products that you will need to embark on the most popular American pastime. Click the link in the description to get the best product in the market, proven to work.